So, okie dokie. So, another video. I've been asked how you can print in more than one color with the printer who don't have the multi-color options. So it's quite simple. In my case, I'm using the Creality Print because I've got the printer, the Creality Printer K1C. So it's just amazing machine for me at least. So it's quite easy. I already sliced this object before, that's why I don't have the slice the plate option, so I straight away go to the preview. So this is how it looks when it's sliced. So all you have to do is just choose which layer you wanna, from which layer you wanna switch the color. So in my case, I'm probably gonna go on the top, and I don't know, let's say from this layer. So then you have to add the pauser, and then you have to slice again. Don't forget slice again, otherwise it will be printed all as a one piece. So slice again and done. So that means where is the pause, it will stop the printer and you will have to change the filament color. So let's click on print. Oh my god, this 6.0, the new software is so slow and so I wouldn't say complicated, but it's so many issues. Like you saw, you know, I have to select, then wait, and it's upload the printer, then start printing. So let's print this one. In my case, I'm using PETG, so I will probably turn the back fan off to make sure it's not cooling down from the back side more than from the front, so make sure it's cooling down equally. So let's prepare the print first, and then I will turn off the back fan and skip the video much further. So let's turn the back fan off, make sure it's not running during the printing time. So okie dokie. So the first layer is done, so it's time to change the filament. So you click on the retract, heat up the nozzle. Obviously I will come on, heat up. Okay, it's retracting. Finish. Okay, let's change. As you can see, they pop up the refill message because it was paused. So a refill and extrude. So now we already changed the filament, so the white one is going in, so we need extrude. So as soon as it will be extruded, we will just need to click the resume the printing, that's it. So it's finished. So home, play button, and resume, and it will start back the printing with the next layer. So here is the time lapse. You can see how it goes, and they're switching the colors, and this is the result. Obviously the result is as it is, you know, because this is just for the video purposes. It's not an order or something. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for the watching, and see you next videos.